Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So this is the leftover paint pour that I did a little bit ago. I will link to this video in the description, but it has it had some crazing here, so I thought it would look amazing if I resined it. So I thought, let's go ahead and do that. I am using the Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat, and I think that will, it'll fill in those cracks, and I think it'll just really make this picture pop, and I think it'll just be super gorgeous. So we're going to go ahead and do that. All right, so here is my resin that I've already got all mixed up, and in the description, I will put the link to purchase this yourself if you'd like. But basically, we're just going to put it in the middle here. A little more. Good. And then I use a torch, which helps heat it up to make it easier to move around, although it's pretty warm in my garage today. So it's already pretty liquid, but I'm going to use this, and this will also help get rid of air bubbles. I'm going to torch it twice. Once now, and then once after I have coated my picture. And then we'll come back and we'll see how it looks when it's all dry, and this will give it kind of like a glass-like finish, and the top will be completely even and smooth. And also this picture has a lot of metallics in here, so I think it'll just really make all those metallics pop, and it'll be awesome. And there's really all there is to it. It's definitely not difficult to apply the resin. Now, if you had used silicone in your picture, which I did not use any silicone here, but if you had used silicone, you would definitely want to make sure that you thoroughly clean the silicone off, because resin does not like silicone. All right, we are fully covered. So I'm going to go ahead at this point and torch it again one more time. And then we will let this dry fully. Takes maybe about 24 hours, and then we'll come back and we'll see how the final product looks. I'm very excited. I think it'll be totally beautiful. The torch just gets rid of the air bubbles. It is definitely something that's needed when you are doing resin, although a heat gun can work well also. Not a hair dryer, but a heat gun specifically. Should be fine. All right, there we go. So we will be back by tomorrow and we'll see how it looks. All right, so we're back. It's all dry. I think it looks super awesome. It's very reflective, obviously. So let's go ahead and take this outside so that we can get a better view of it, because the sunshine will help with that reflection. All right, this is how it looks in the light in all its glory. Obviously there's my shadow. Look how pretty that is. And the gold really pops. And as you can see, it's got like kind of the glass smooth finish there. So even though we do have that crazing in the paint, it's filled in by the resin. There you go. I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.